Hello everyone, I am Professor Chinmay Kumar Das, working as a Dean Academics at Biju Patnaik Institute of Information Technology and Management Studies, Infocity, Bhubaneswar. At the very outset, as we are in the month of January, I must wish all my viewers a happy and prosperous new year. In connection with the topic, I will be taking you to a topic on modern trends in marketing. When modern trends in marketing is concerned, I hope technology plays a pivot role in every sectors across. While I am taking this topic, one of the remarks of Peter Drucker comes to my mind. In business, he has told in business two things are important. One is innovation, the other one is marketing. Every sector today is emphasizing innovation for making it more impactful. Therefore, in fact, marketing has no exception. When we are taking a topic, modern trend is marketing, I will take how AI is impactful in marketing in regard to the four aspects. The first one is hyper-personalizations. My dear viewers, when I say hyper-personalizations, it's basically the emphasis on tailoring content. The days are gone, one size which can fit all. No, the consumer will straight away say, you see, no, never, and not. How customized in relation to communication, relation to information, relation to data, and it regard to different consumer behavior. Therefore, AI is helping us, in fact, to have tailoring content as per the consumer behavior. When we talk about consumer behavior, remember, two consumers are not look like equal. There is a saying, if you take two rice from a rice bag, they are not looking like equal. When you take two hairs from your head, they are also not looking like equal. Therefore, technology is emphasizing more on how you can more customized, how you can more personalized. Personalization, customization is not a new one. I'm not talking about more emphasis on that. How technology is more impactful, making the marketeers more effective related to customization. Next aspect, I'll be giving much emphasis on here, the second aspect, automated content generator. You see, automated content generator by using of AI. Today there are many, you see, marketeers can develop content by giving the topic, giving the particular situation they want, or some text keywords. Only the aspect is, you see, what search you are giving, as a result of which content will be ready. By this way, you can have many contents with many times, by which the content can be used in different social media. And the third aspect related to AI driven marketing is your data analytics. And in connection with data analytics, you see, a huge amount of data can be used by the marketer to analyze, which can be easily predictable, which can be easily, you see, what will be happening tomorrow or day after tomorrow or next month. You can analyze many data which using AI, which can be happen more effectively. And another aspect, I'm giving more emphasis in social commerce. Every company, A to Z, are using some amount of app, have a different commerce experiences. People are shopping online through their apps, interacting, and in fact, you see, they found to be more experience, and that is positive experience. Another, you see, the last aspect I will give here is the short videos. Mostly marketeers using short videos for their social media. And this using of AI, many, so you see, marketeers have more number of short videos by which even they can changing every day, even 5 times in a day or every time. Gone are the days one advertisement was running for a long period of time. The most important aspect of, you see, the digital media or AI, the interactive. It is more an interaction. It is just not a one-way traffic, it is a two-way traffic. At the end, when marketing is at the crossroad, This AI driven marketing can take a best experience, can take the marketeer the next height. Thank you very much.